Hi dear Cancerians, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Cancerians, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed, honey, anytime. And this is reading from today till the 21st of October, okay? So let's start, Cancerians. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is King of Pentacles. So I feel like your partner right now is healing and they are working very hard to make their life mature, practical, down to earth and stable financially, okay? So I feel like right now your partner is working on their stability, especially the financial stability and the emotional stability, you can say. But this person right now is healing and going through a certain process of their life where they are exceptionally focused on the money part of their life, business part of their life. Okay, let me clarify the King of Pentacles. Let me see. Page of Pentacles, the High Priestess and the Four of Cups. So I feel like they are starting something in their life. They are ready to start something in their life and they are silent about the process, okay? They are listening to their intuition. They are trying their best to listen to their intuition, and their intuition is telling them that this is not the right time to invest emotionally in something, okay? Or if they are emotionally, I feel like this person is emotionally drained, totally emotionally drained. They are trying their best to go in a process where they can start from the scratch, okay? Start from the scratch, and they're trying to listen to their intuition, tap into their intuitive side, tap into their spiritual side as much as possible, because they're highly bored. You can say bored or dissatisfied, or they're not happy with their life, current situation of their life emotionally. So they are trying to shift their focus to the money part and the stability part, something different, okay? This is what they are currently experiencing in their energy, okay? Let's see what's your current energy, Cancerians. Your current energy right now is, let's see. Your current energy right now is the Ace of Cups. Wow, beautiful energy of love. Your heart chakra is opening, I think. Ace of Cups is a beautiful energy of your heart opening up to new love, or you are having overwhelming feelings that you are not able to understand what I should do with this overwhelming emotions. But it might be possible that somebody new is coming to your life, or you are, see, the Magician is also here, or you are manifesting somebody in your life, or you are offering the cup of love to somebody. There are lots of stars when there's Ace, and especially Ace of Cups is related to love, emotions, intuition. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups for you. Let me see. Nine of Wands and the Strength card and the Temperance card. So I feel like you are passionate about someone or something in your life. You are holding back. You are acting very courageous. You are like, can you see the infinity sign on the woman's head, you can say? Hello. So I feel like this lady is acting very courageous. This is not gender specific reading, so you can be a man or woman, it doesn't matter. So you are highly passionate about something or someone in your life. You are holding back, you are acting really courageous. You are feeling like at the right time I will do the right thing. You are trying to balance your emotions. Could be dealing with the Leo or Sagittarius, your Temperance or Sagittarius energy. You are trying your best to balance your emotions, okay? So this is highly passionate energy. There's something that you are very passionate about. You want to do that. You want to approach this particular person, or if it is a thing, you just want to do that. You are trying your best to be courageous. You are trying your best to hold on to things, okay, that are not might be working out in your favor in the past, but you are trying your best to hold, okay? You are trying your best to balance your emotions. And then I feel like after balancing out the emotions, you are feeling certain kind of love or passion towards somebody or something. This is your current energy, Cancerians. Your heart chakra is opening. This is a very beautiful thing if you take it positively. If you work on that. If you are feeling emotional without any reason, I feel like you should do heart chakra meditation. Please use green color as much as possible and do the heart chakra meditation. It will help you tremendously. Cool. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see what this person feels for you. Nine of Wands. I feel like this person is hurt. Nine of Wands energy. I feel like you guys had lots of fights in the recent past or in the past, distant past as well, you can say. But I feel like you guys had a fight and this person is feeling deeply hurt. Although they are deeply hurt, they are standing their ground. They are not leaving their ground. They are not ready to compromise. They are not listen. They are not ready to listen to the situation, or they are just not ready to listen to anything. They are just standing their ground. They are like, yeah, although I'm hurt, I don't want to listen to your shit. This is my shit and this is what I'm feeling. So let me be alone for the time being. This is what their feeling might be. Let me clarify the Nine of Wands. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Wands as their feelings for you. Okay, cool, calm down. Sun could be dealing with a Leo here, the Seven of Wands and the Three of Wands. Lots of Wands. This is fire energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with the Aries, Leo or Sagittarius here. Cancerians, okay? Yeah. So I feel like this person is trying their best to be happy in their life. They are just trying to show you that they are fucking happy and they don't have any kind of problem related to emotions or love. Again, they are showing you something that they are not, or they are just standing their ground, acting aloof and detached and cold and off because they're deeply hurt. And right now they're turning their back towards you, Cancerians. They're just trying to walk away from you, but they are deeply hurt and they're standing their ground. I feel like inside of them, they feel like you should talk to them, you should say few words of sorry or apologize to them, or say something that's going to make their wounded soul a little better or something like this. They're expecting this from you, but they are feeling like they should walk away from you and they should stand their ground and they should not just talk to you at all. They should turn their back towards you. They feel like this. They're hurt, but they are standing their ground, not going anywhere, just waiting for your apology or something, some kind of emotional apology or emotional kind of nod from your side. I don't know what kind of thing, but they are just waiting and standing their ground and trying to make themselves happy and trying to show you that they are fucking happy. But I don't know if they are, because the energy is telling me that this person is not at all happy, not at all happy. Let me see what this person wants from you. Let me see what this person wants from you. Something is, I think my phone is ringing, I don't know. Okay. Really sorry, let me check what is happening. What they want from you is a Ten of Pentacles energy. They want a happy family with you. Let me check something is happening. Sorry. So what they want from you is the Ten of Pentacles. They want to have a happy family life with you, and or you can say commitment with you and a long-term relationship with you. I feel like they want a spouse kind of connection with you. If not marriage, it is definitely long-term committed relationship that they want from you, from this connection. Okay, can you see how happy this couple is, and they're having kids, and there's a beautiful red kind of mandala art or something like that. It's a beautiful energy of happiness, a family, security. This is what they want. Let me clarify. The Ten of Pentacles. They are deeply hurt, but they want to have a family with you. This is contradictory, but yeah, this is what I'm getting here. So they are trying their best to calm down and relax, and they're trying their best to move on. Actually, this is more contradictory energy. They are trying their best to move on, and they are trying their best to not involve in this relationship or in this connection again. But no matter how hard they are trying, they are not ready to give up. They are not ready to give up on this connection with you, because they feel like, although this is a burden on my shoulders, although this connection is a burden on me, but I'm not going to give up that much easily, because I have invested so much time or so much money or whatever they have invested. They just want to have a peaceful resolution. They just want to go towards a peaceful future, go towards a committed relationship with you. This is what they want from you. Okay, cool. Although they want to move on, but they are not able to move on, and because they are not able to move on, because they are not ready to give up on this connection, because they feel like they have invested so much in this connection that they can't let it go just like that. Cool. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till 21st of October, Cancerians. I don't know what is that. King of Wands. King of Wands. So I feel like there is a certain decision that you are going to make regarding this particular connection. Either you or them are coming back to each other. Okay, either you are going to them or they are coming back to you. There is energy of coming back, because this is passionate energy. Might be you are highly passionate for them, might be they are very highly passionate towards you, but there is certain energy of coming back, either you or them. I don't know, and I don't know what is ringing behind my camera. I'm confused. Okay, please bear with me. Okay, the Empress, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. Yes, I feel like either you or them are going to offer the other person the connection, certain type of connection, or certain type of, let's start this all over, let's see where it is going, let's put in the effort, put in the energy from your side and from my side, and let's be a team and be in the team spirit, and then we will restart after lots of conflict. So basically I feel like a start is coming after lots of fights, after lots of conflicts, after lots of battles, after lots of bad ugly fights. Finally there is some kind of restart coming, a reconciliation happening and a restart coming. See, for most of you people fight with me generally because they feel like Ace of Swords is not a reconciliation, but for me it is definitely a restart. And this start is not very easy. This is a very, very harsh start, or very, very difficult start, you can say, but when this is happening. Okay, so I basically, either you or them are coming together, or either you are going to them, or they are coming to you, and you guys are going to talk. Let's restart, let's see where it is going. Okay, because the passion is still there, the passion is still there, the light and the fire is still there. This is the thing. Cool. So thank you so much, Cancerians, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.